how to unregister for app on Play Store. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unregister for app on Play Store. First go to Play Store and then click on your profile here. Click here on your profile and then click settings and then general and then this one, and now click this one and register for app and game registration. Click on it and then unregister, and as you see I have been unregistered, and that's how unregister for app on Play Store. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.